Hello guys, my name is Pradeep. So today we are going to discuss about custom errors in the Tomcat. Okay, so I will show you how to add custom errors in the Tomcat. So whenever you are developing an web applications, custom Tomcats are mandatory. So in this video I will show you how to add custom. See, I have a web application, web application with welcome page. If I just type something which is not this URL not available, so it will throw HTTP status 404. Okay, so we'll get many errors like 500, 405, 403, 400. So these are we need to handle. I'll show you how to handle this. So this approach will support in Solid 3.0 after that. Okay, simple. In your project in web.xml, just add error page and add location where you need to show that. I will give /errors. Okay, just I'm saving that page. So I'm created one error controller. So this code I already wrote. It's very straightforward code, so I already have that code. So I'm using the same URL /errors. So whatever I given in this web.xml, just I added only these 3 lines. Okay, so then I'm adding with that URL /errors. So I'm creating one model and view with the name called error page. Okay, so you can see here error page. This is the JSP page. So here I'm just displaying a message whatever it is coming from controller. Okay, so error message I'm displaying. So error page, I've created one object for model at view. So once we created, we need to know what is the status code, HTTP, what is the code, because based on that code only we need to redirect to particular we need to redirect to that message. Okay, so here in this method I'm trying to find out what is the error code it will come. Okay, so if you see here, so I implemented here this method, just from servlet request.get attribute of this one. This is the Tomcat constants available. So we have more constants available. You can check it here. So here it is available. See, I want only employee status code, sorry, error status code. So I used this value. Okay, so get attribute of this value if we give, it will give status code. So if you want some error message, you can get this also. Error message also you can get. So now I am focusing only on error code. I used status code. Okay, so here it will return whether it is 400 or 404 like that. So then switch case I used. So if it is 404, I am sending one error message, HTTP error 404. Okay, what is the resource not found? So this is your wish. So you can redirect. Otherwise you can create one more JSP for every HTTP error code and you can return here only. Okay, we can add this to in everything and you can return that. Okay, so based on error code you can return. So here I'm displaying standard message. Okay, so I have, if it is 404, I'm setting error message as HTTP error 404 resource not found. Okay, then I'm adding that message to this model and view attribute and I'm returning to error page.jsp. That's all. Okay, so that's what I created. Let's see whether our program will work or not. Just I'm running the server. So restart. Let's see how it will be. So server starting. So you can check the code if you want. Providing here. Okay, so it came to home page. See, if I give some URL which is not available in our project, see what it will give. It will give HTTP error 404. This is what the message we are adding in this error message. So like that you can add for any other HTTP error code like 404, 403, 500, etc., and you can return what is the error message, so that so whenever some error came, So user will see proper error message without seeing that all, like java.lang.null pointer exception. Then if you go down, you will go, it will give the path of that controller or service layer, so that someone can easily see what is the path inside your server and all. So if you use this HTTP custom errors, so there is no chances them to see what is the path and all file names and all, so nothing will come. See, because this is, we are providing that errors. Okay, that's all. So simple in overview I'm telling. So if you want to display custom error pages, okay, just you need to add that error page and location in this in your web.xml file, and whatever the path you given here, for that you need to write one controller where it will call that method. So you need to create object for model and view, so that we can return some JSP page, right? So you need to give. So once this is done, you need to find what is the error code. Okay, so in this method you are finding error code, so it will return error code. Then based on that error code, in switch statement you can do that. Okay, okay, that's all about this video. Thank you for watching the video.